Hi everyone. Okay, so today's topic is going to be about how cell phone repair insurance companies are changing and how that's going to benefit you. Okay, so the way that cell phone repair insurance companies, the way that they would work is, let me give you an example. Let's say across the street, there's a Verizon store across the street. Let's say if somebody paid into the monthly insurance program where they pay like $12 a month, and if they break their phone, they go to like the Verizon store, they go pay the big deductible, and then what ends up happening is they get a phone mailed to them either a day later or 2 days later. So the customer has to wait. So now what is changing is those same companies are now using cell phone repair businesses to do the repairs in their stores so the customers can have their phones done same day. So you guys see the change. It used to take money out of our pockets from people paying into the insurance companies. Now it's putting money into our pockets. And I'm going to show you just in a little bit later on in this video a check, one of the checks that I received from SquareTrade. San Diego Cell Phone Repair is now an authorized SquareTrade local repair business. So the way that it works with SquareTrade and me is if somebody bought SquareTrade insurance, if they bought their phone online, that's usually how it works. They'll call SquareTrade. They'll say, hey, I broke my phone, or something needs to get fixed. The port doesn't work, or whatever doesn't work. They'll call SquareTrade, and then SquareTrade will reroute them to an authorized SquareTrade repair business, which I am. And then they'll send them here. The customer doesn't have to pay anything at all to get their phone fixed. I will come in, I will repair the phone. SquareTrade will then reimburse me with a check. The way that how I got SquareTrade is they actually contacted me to do the repairs for them. Probably because of my online reputation. I'm pretty sure 100% that's what it's for. They probably researched my business name, and then they went ahead and did the okay, and then they called me and asked me if I wanted to do repairs for them. And of course, I said yes. So I believe with Asurion, I know there are some businesses in San Diego that are doing the same thing with Asurion. I know that Verizon does forward their repairs instead of having people wait several days to get their repairs done and their refurbished phone to get mailed to them. They are just rerouting them and saying, here, go to this store, get your phone fixed there. So, yeah, that's how everything is changing now. It's going to put money into your pocket from the customers originally paying into the insurance repair programs. Let me just show you one of my checks that I have received from SquareTrade. Okay, so here's one of these checks that I was talking about. As you can see, there's the check amount. That's my name. That's my business name. Check comes directly to me. By the time anybody sees this online, this check is already going to be cashed. I'm actually going to go to the bank right now and cash it. But this actually came to me because of about this video is because here's another one today. I just got this in today. I already fixed it, and he already got his phone back. But yeah, this is what cell phone insurance companies are now doing. They are just having their customers just getting them fixed at local repair shops instead of them having to wait 2 days in order for them to get a refurbished phone in the mail. People would rather that have insurance, they would rather just get them fixed today, if that makes sense. because you know your phone works perfectly fine. And I'm sure you guys have all heard the stories about when people get refurbished phones that from insurance companies that they use, that it doesn't work the same as their original phone. So they can get it done today because all they need to do is get the screen fixed, and boom, here you go. Here's proof. Okay, so one thing that I wanted to add into this video is they actually pay you out pretty well. A lot of the times they actually will pay you more than what you actually charge a regular customer walking into the store. And if you know how to do glass only repair on Samsung phones, they will actually pay you out as if you were going to repair the glass and the display. So just picture that. Someone comes in, they have an insurance claim, they only have the cracked glass on their phone. Do a glass only repair and you get paid out as if you replace the full display and glass on the phone. That's another way you can increase income and profits. Okay, so I'm gonna wrap it up. Please tell me what videos you guys want me to do next. I've been getting a lot of requests for how do you clean up the glue off the display after the glass comes off. I think I'll be making that video soon. And also add me on Instagram. Any questions, comments, write them in the descriptions below. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.